Let's have a look at project cards in your team project screen. If you are a team administrator or a normal user on the team level, you can create a new project by clicking on the New Project button. You name your project and set its visibility to project members only or all team members. To finish, click Create. If you're an owner on the project, you can change its name and visibility after it has been created by navigating to Options under this project and selecting Edit. If you're a team administrator, you can add yourself to any project as an owner. As an owner on the project, you can also manage its users. Click on the avatar icon and then Manage Users. Select a name from the drop-down menu and select a role for the user, then click Add. The person will appear on the list of project members. To change the existing role, click on Change Role and select a new one. If you wish to remove a person, simply click the cross sign. On the project card, you can also view due dates of tasks within the project and comments on the project card. In the comment section, you can also use smart annotations to cross-link information in SciNote. You can tag a member by using the @ symbol, or you can tag any project, experiment, or task, or any of the items from your inventories by using the hashtag symbol, which creates a link. To view activities on the project, click on the Activities button. You can also export a project. To do so, check the box on the project card and then click the Export Projects button in the upper right corner. Lastly, to archive a project, navigate to Options and then select Archive. Only owners can archive projects. You cannot permanently delete a project due to data traceability. Only the person who has archived the project can restore it back. To learn even more about SciNote, check out the links in the description below.